whatever city you're in, you type in accounting firms, you're going to see a lot of them. Often wonder, like, how many of them are just trying to figure it out all on their own.
You know, there's a shelf life for leadership in an organization.
Leaders, you share with your team what you want, what's your vision, and then you let them do it.
These are the softer things that we have to be talking about together to try to get to the best way of leading firms.
There's not too many team members that are encouraging their leader to attend a conference.
Like most firms. I mean, it's been a very good time to be in public accounting.
I want to know when next year is, because for those of you listening, you better sign up because you may not have a ticket. This thing is going to sell out before we know.